कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स। आज हम देखेंगे एमसीक्यूज, कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स के एमसीक्यूज, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। पहले हम देख चुके हैं कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स इंफॉर्मेशन। माय चैनल नेम लर्न ऑफ कंप्यूटर विथ पीपीटी। प्रेजेंटेशन से हम सीखने वाले हैं एमसीक्यूज। देखिए नेक्स्ट, लर्न ऑफ कंप्यूटर विथ पीपीटी एमसीक्यूज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड। प्रेजेंटर संजीवनी कोतापल्ली। नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु इज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? ऑप्शंस, जेम्स गोजलिंग, चार्ल्स बैबेज, डेनिस रिची, बर्ट्रांड स्टोट्रम। आंसर इज बी, चार्ल्स बैबेज। Explanation: Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. Charles Babbage designed and built the first mechanical computer and difference engine. तो हमारा आंसर है, आंसर इज बी, चार्ल्स बैबेज, फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर चार्ल्स बैबेज। नेक्स्ट, which of the following is the correct abbreviation of computer? Commonly occupied machines used in technical and educational research, commonly operated machines used in technical and environmental research, commonly oriented machines used in technical and educational research, commonly oriented machines used in technical and educational research. Answer is D, commonly oriented machines used in technical and educational research. Explanation देखिए, the word computer is an abbreviation for the terms commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. The word computer also related to the word computer, which means to calculate. So initially it was the thought that a computer is a device that is used to perform calculations. हमारा आंसर है डी। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर? डेफिनेशन पूछा है, कंप्यूटर इज अ मशीन और अ डिवाइस दैट कैन बी प्रोग्राम टू परफॉर्म अरिथमेटिक और लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस सीक्वेंस ऑटोमेटिकली। बी, computer understand only binary language which is written in the form of zeros and ones. Computer is a programmable electronic device that stores, retrieves and processes the data. All of the mentioned. Answer is D. Explanation देखिए, a computer is a machine or a device that can be programmed to perform arithmetical or logical operations. Sequence automatically. The computer understands only binary codes, zeros and ones. कंप्यूटर को क्या अंडरस्टैंड होता है? मशीन को zeros and ones. Answer is go to all of the mentioned. Next slide. What is the full form of CPU? Computer processing unit, computer principal unit, central processing unit, control processing unit. Answer is C, central processing unit. Explanation देखिए, CPU stand for central processing unit. CPU is the part of computer system that is mainly referred as the brain of the computer. Next slide. Which of the following language does the computer understand? कंप्यूटर कौन सी लैंग्वेज अंडरस्टैंड करता है? कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड ओनली सी लैंग्वेज, कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड ओनली असेंबली लैंग्वेज, कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड ओनली बाइनरी लैंग्वेज, कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड ओनली बेसिक। आंसर इज गो टू सी, कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड ओनली बाइनरी लैंग्वेज। बाइनरी लैंग्वेज मीन्स जीरोज एंड वंस। देखिए एक्सप्लेनेशन, the computer understands only binary language which is written in the form of zeros and ones. A computer can understand assembly language, but an assembler is required which convert the assembly language to the binary language. Similarly, for understanding high-level languages, compilers, interpreters are required. This is the answer is C. Next slide. Which of the following computer language is written in binary codes only? Pascal, machine language, C, C#. Answer is go to machine language. देखिए explanation. Machine language is written in binary codes only. It can be easily understood by the computer and is very difficult for us to understand. A machine language, unlike other languages, requires no transistor or interpreters. Our answer is B, machine language. Next slide. Which of the following is the brain of computer? Central processing unit, memory, arithmetic and logic unit, D, control unit. Answer go to A, central processing unit. Explanation देखिए, the CPU is referred to as the brain of a computer. It consists of a control unit and an arithmetic and logic unit. It is responsible for performing all the processes and operations. Answer is A. Next slide. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a computer? इस ऑप्शन से कौन सा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हमारा आंसर नहीं है? वर्सैटिलिटी, एक्यूरेसी, डिलीगेंस, IQ. आंसर इज गो टू IQ. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए. The computer system has no IQ of its own. It does only what is programmed to do. It cannot take decisions of its own. A computer is diligent because it can work continuously for hours without getting any errors or without getting scrambled. The accuracy of a computer is consistently high and its level of accuracy depends on its design. A computer can perform any task. It can be broken down into a series of logical steps. Therefore, a computer is versatile. This is the answer is go to D, IQ. Next. Which of the following is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Options देखिए. Bit, KB, nibble, byte. Answer is go to A, bit. Explanation देखिए. A bit is defined as the smallest unit of data in a computer system. It is used as a short form of binary digit. A bit can have only two values, zeros and ones. A nibble comprises 4 bytes. A byte is collection of 8 bits. Whereas KB means kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Answer is go to A, bit. Next. Which of the following unit is responsible for converting the data received from the user into a computer understandable format? Output unit, input unit, memory unit, arithmetic and logical unit. Answer is go to input unit. Explanation देखिए. The input unit converts data which of the user enters into a language that the computer understands, that is converts the data into binary format. The output unit is responsible for giving the results in a user's understandable format. The stores unit is responsible for storing the data after immediate result of processing wires. The ALU is responsible for various arithmetic and bitwise operations. The answer is B, input unit. Next. Which of the following monitor looks like a television and are normally used with a non-portable computer system? First, LED, B, LCD, C, CRT, D, flat panel monitors. Answer is C, CRT. And explanation देखिए. A, CRT or cathode ray tube, CRT long form, the cathode ray tube monitor looks like a television ideally. The flat panel monitors are thinner and lighter in comparison. Answer is C, CRT. Next slide. Which of the following is not a type of computer code? EDIC, ASCII, BCD, EBCDIC. Answer is A, EDIC. Explanation: there is no coding scheme like EDIC. EBCDIC stand for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. BCD stand for Binary Coded Decimal. ASCII stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Answer is go to EDIC. Which of the following part of processor contains the hardware necessary to perform all the operations required by a computer? Options: controller, registers, cache, data path. Answer is go to data path. Explanation देखिए, a processor is a part of the computer which does all the data manipulations and decision making. A processor comprises of a data path that contain the hardware necessary to perform all the operations. A controller tells the data path what need to be done. The registers act as intermediate storage for the data. Answer is go to D, data path. Next slide. Which of the following is designed to control the operations of a computer? Users, application software, system software, utility software. Answer is go to system software. C. Explanation देखिए, software is basically classified into two system and applications. System software is designed to control the operations and extended the processing capability of computer system. Next slide देखिए. Which of the following device use positional national or represent a decimal number? Pascaline, abacus, computer, calculator. Answer is go to B, abacus. Explanation देखिए, abacus was used to do arithmetic calculations around 2500 years ago. Pascaline was the Pascal's calculator by Blaise Pascal, invented for doing laboratories calculations. This is the answer is B, abacus. Which of the following is used in EBCDIC? Supercomputer, mainframes, machine codes, programming. Answer is B, mainframes. Explanation: this concept of EBCDIC was invented by IBM. EBCDIC was IBM ने invent किया है. It is mainly used in the IBM mainframes environment. So basically mainframes used EBCDIC codes. Next. Which of the following are a physical device of a computer? Hardware, software, system software, packages. Answer is go to A, hardware. Explanation: hardware refers to the physical device of a computer system. Software refers to a collection of a program. A program is a sequence of a instructions. Hardware क्या रेफर करता है? Physical device और a computer system. So software refers क्या करता है? Collection of a programs. Program is a sequence of a instructions. Answer go to A, hardware. Next slide. Which of the following defines the assigned ordering among the characters used by the computer? Options: accumulations, sorting, collecting sequence, Unicode. Answer is C, collecting sequence. Explanation: collecting sequence is the term used for operating ordering among characters. It may vary depending upon the type of a code used by a computer. Answer is go to C, collecting sequence. Next. Which of the following storage is a system where a robotic arm will connect or disconnect offline mass storage media according to the computer operating system demands? Options: magnetic, secondary, virtual, tertiary. Answer is go to tertiary. Explanation देखिए, tertiary storage is the correct options. It is used in the realms of enterprises storage and scientific computing on large computer system and a business computer network, and is something a typical personal computer never sees firsthand. Answer is go to D, tertiary. Which of the following is known as the interval between the instant a computer makes a request for the transfer of data from disk system to the primary storage and the instance the operations is completed? Options: disk utilization time, drive utilization time, disk access time, disk arrival time. Answer is go to disk arrival time. Explanation है, the interval is referred to as the disk arrival time. It depends on several parameters. Generally, a computer makes a request and the operations is served. Next slide. Thank you for watching video my Learn of Computer with PPT presented by Sanjeevani Kothapalli. Thank you for the watching video.